In today's video, I'll show you a simple and clear way to record customer deposits in QuickBooks Online so your financial records stay accurate and organized. If a customer pays you a deposit or retainer before the work is completed, it's important to track it correctly. This helps keep your bank balance accurate and ensures your reports reflect the true state of your business. Let's walk through the step-by-step process. Start in your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the top left, click on New. This will open the menu where you can create new transactions. From there, select Bank Deposit. Think of this screen as the place where you tell QuickBooks exactly what money is going into which bank account. At the top of the deposit form, choose the bank account where the funds are actually being deposited. Take a moment to double-check this, because selecting the correct account helps avoid reconciliation issues later. Next, add the customer who made the deposit. This links the transaction to the correct person or company and makes it easier to track their payment history. Now choose the account category. This step is very important because it determines how the deposit appears in your financial reports. Many businesses use a liability account like customer deposits or unearned revenue. Since the money hasn't been earned yet, if your process recognizes it as income right away, you can choose an income account instead. If you're unsure, it's always best to follow your existing chart of accounts or consult your accountant. You can also add a description, including details like the project name, expected delivery date, or a reference number will make your records easier to understand later. After that, enter the payment method and the amount received. Make sure the date matches when the money was actually deposited and include any reference numbers from checks or electronic payments. If you received multiple deposits, record each one separately so everything matches your bank activity. Once everything is filled in, click Save and Close. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a customer deposit in QuickBooks Online. If this helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other QuickBooks tutorials to keep improving your bookkeeping skills. See you in the next video.